Minoxidil is a topical medication widely used for the treatment of hair loss and to promote hair growth. Originally developed as an oral medication for high blood pressure, minoxidil's side effect of hair growth led to its topical application for treating hair loss. Minoxidil works by stimulating hair follicles and promoting blood flow to the scalp. This process helps to revitalize shrunken hair follicles, increase their size, and extend the growth phase of the hair cycle, resulting in thicker and longer hair strands. Minoxidil is available in several forms, including liquid solutions of 2% and 5% concentrations, topical foam of 5% concentration, and topical spray. Minoxidil is typically applied twice daily to the scalp in the areas where hair thinning or loss is noticeable. Consistent and long-term use is essential for achieving and maintaining results. For men, minoxidil is approved for the treatment of male pattern baldness. Studies show that the 5% concentration is more effective than the 2% concentration in promoting hair regrowth in men. For women, it is approved for the treatment of female pattern hair loss. The 2% concentration is commonly recommended for women, although the 5% concentration may be used under medical supervision. Initial results may be seen after 3 to 6 months of consistent use. Maximum results are typically observed after 12 months. Some users may experience increased hair shedding during the initial phase of treatment, which is a temporary effect as the new hair replaces the old. Common side effects of topical minoxidil include scalp irritation or itching, unwanted facial hair growth if the medication comes into contact with other areas, and dryness or flaking of the scalp. Avoid using minoxidil on broken or irritated skin. Wash hands thoroughly after application to prevent accidental transfer to other areas. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting minoxidil if you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking other medications. And that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative health content. Stay tuned for our next video.